Hello friends, today we will see chapter number 1, that is preparation of gases. Let's begin with the content. In this chapter we will learn how to prepare oxygen gas, carbon dioxide, hydrogen gas and nitrogen gas. Oxygen. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. Symbol is denoted by capital O. Valency is 2. It was discovered by William Scheele. Allotropes are dioxide and ozone. Dioxide is O2, which is generally found in atmosphere. Ozone is O3, which protects the earth from ultraviolet rays of the sun. Now we will learn how to prepare oxygen gas. For this we will perform an experiment. Apparatus, test tube, candle, incense stick, test tube holder, potassium permanganate and matchbox. Hold the test tube with test tube holder. Put potassium permanganate and heat it. When potassium permanganate gets heated, there will be a crackling sound and it will release a gas which is oxygen. Diagram is shown. This is the chemical reaction which takes place during this procedure. That is, potassium permanganate when heated gives potassium manganate with manganese dioxide and oxygen gas is evolved. Physical properties of oxygen. Oxygen is colorless, odorless and tasteless. It is sparingly soluble in water. It helps in combustion. Chemical properties of oxygen. Oxygen reacts with metal and forms out metal oxide. For example, magnesium when reacts with oxygen gives magnesium oxide. Oxides of metal react with water and form hydroxides of metal. Like magnesium oxide when reacts with water gives magnesium hydroxide. Oxygen reacts with non-metal and gives oxides of non-metals. For example, sulfur when reacts with oxygen gives sulfur dioxide gas. Oxides of non-metals reacts with water and gives acids. For example, sulfur dioxide when reacts with water gives sulfurous acid. Uses of oxygen. All living beings, including aquatic animals, need oxygen to respire. It is very helpful to cure diseases related to lungs. Oxygen is used for combustion. Oxygen is also used to create high flames, which is used in welding. Oxygen is used to prepare acid, organic compound, metal oxide, etc. Carbon dioxide. It is a compound of carbon and oxygen. Chemical formula is CO2. Human being releases carbon dioxide during respiration while plant inhale carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. Let's perform an experiment to prepare carbon dioxide. And for this experiment we require glass bottle, incense stick, marble pieces or powder and hydrochloric acid. Now take a transparent glass bottle, add pieces or powder of marble in it. Add hydrochloric acid in the bottle. Insert an incense ignited stick in the bottle. After some time, a gas will start evolving from the glass bottle, which is carbon dioxide. Chemical reaction. When calcium carbonate reacts with HCl, form calcium chloride. The byproduct is water and carbon dioxide gas is evolved. The reaction is given below. Diagram as shown. Physical properties of carbon dioxide. It is colorless, odorless and tasteless gas. It is sparingly soluble in water. it is heavier than other gases. It does not help in combustion. Chemical properties. When calcium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide, calcium carbonate and water are obtained. As given, on reacting carbon dioxide with calcium carbonate and water, it produces calcium bicarbonate. On heating carbon dioxide with water at high pressure, carbonic acid is obtained. When carbon dioxide reacts with metal oxide, give metal carbonates. Uses of carbon dioxide. It is used in the process of photosynthesis by plants. It is used in fire extinguisher. It is used in fermentation. Dry ice, which is solid carbon dioxide, is a cooling agent. Used in preparation of washing soda and baking soda. Hydrogen. It is an element whose atomic number is 1, atomic weight is 1. Since it has no neutron, it is denoted by capital H. It was discovered by Henry Cavendish. It is the lightest element in the periodic table. Let's perform an experiment to know how to prepare hydrogen. Apparatus are test tube, magnesium strip or pieces of iron nails and hydrochloric acid. Now take a test tube, put magnesium strip or iron nails in it, add HCl in the test tube. Hydrogen will start evolving from the test tube. Now here we need to note that we can use flame test to detect hydrogen gas. Chemical reaction. Magnesium when reacts with hydrochloric acid gives magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas is evolved. Or if we take iron pieces, iron when reacts with hydrochloric acid gives iron chloride and hydrogen gas is evolved. Diagram is shown. Physical properties of hydrogen. It is colorless, odorless and tasteless. It is lighter than other gases. It is combustible gas. Chemical properties. Some of reactive metals like sodium, potassium, etc. reacts with hydrogen gives hydrides of the metal. For example, sodium when reacts with hydrogen gives sodium hydride. Hydrogen reacts with non-metals to produce non-metal hydrides. For example, chlorine when reacts with hydrogen gives hydrochloric acid. Uses of hydrogen. Hydrogen gas is used as a fuel. It is used to create many acids and organic compounds. It is used in cell. Hydrogen gas is required for atomic hydrogen welding. It is lighter than air, hence it is used to fill in the balloons, which helps to study atmosphere above sea level. Nitrogen. It is an element. It is denoted by capital N, whose atomic number is 7 and atomic weight is 14. It was discovered by Daniel Rutherford. Now let's perform an experiment to learn how to prepare nitrogen gas. Apparatus required: transparent glass bottle, tripod, spirit lamp, wire guides, ammonium chloride and sodium nitride. Put ammonium chloride and sodium nitride in equal proportion in the glass bottle. Place glass bottle on the tripod stand and heat the glass bottle with spirit lamp. After some time, the bubbles of gas will be visible in the bottle. This gas is nitrogen. Diagram is shown. Chemical reaction is Ammonium chloride, when reacts with sodium nitrite, gives ammonium nitrite and sodium chloride. Now, when ammonium nitrite is further heated, gives nitrogen gas and water. Physical properties of nitrogen. It is colorless, odorless and tasteless. It is neither combustible nor a supporter of combustion. Chemical properties. Nitrogen combines with oxygen and forms nitric oxide. On further reaction with oxygen, it produces nitrogen dioxide. Uses of nitrogen. It is used to prepare nitric acid, ammonia, urea, etc. In films, dramas, to show unnatural smoke or clouds, nitrogen gas is used. It decreases reactivity of oxygen in air.